I'm Skylar and I'm an Amazon influencer, and I received this Ring camera solar charger, and I want to tell you a little bit about it. I have a full Ring camera system around my house, and the ones that are too far from outlets, I absolutely hate having to get out a ladder and climb up the ladder just to get them down, just to take the batteries out and charge them. It is a hassle and a pain, because I like to have the sensitivity on my cameras up high so that way I'm capturing all motion that is happening in my yard. So I love having things like this solar charger to keep my batteries charged for me, so I'm not constantly having to go out and grab the batteries to charge them. One thing that I really love about this solar panel that I got here is the cord is super long, so I don't even have to have this like right next to my Ring camera, which actually is really nice because obviously solar panels have to be able to see the sun. So not everywhere that I have my camera is out where the sun actually is. Like I have one that's underneath my covered porch. So that one I would definitely need something like this that could reach further and be out where it could actually see the sun and charge with solar. They're super easy to use. On the back of the outdoor stick-up cams, you pop these little rubber pieces out. The top one is a plug hole, which uses this, and it plugs right in. Super easy. Always make sure it's not in there nice and snug. And then you're gonna take this part right here, and it has the screw holes, and the screws came with it. And this just literally gets screwed into the side of your house or whatever building or whatever you're using to mount this on. Once it's on there, you have this little screw piece here that's going to screw into the back, and then angle whatever direction you're needing it to look like, and then you're going to tighten down this little piece here so that way it tightens it and holds it in the position that you're needing it to face the sun.
And here it is fully installed. I do have it facing the direction where it's going to get the most sunlight during the day, which is super important so that it'll stay charged. And here on my Ring app, you can see that my battery is currently charging. You can find this linked in my Amazon storefront.